Where Jeremy Lutz here with your midday market update for Wednesday, the 19th of September. And it looks like home sales are improving. The housing data released today, actually this morning, showed an improving real estate market. Construction of new homes rose 2.3% in August. Sales of previously occupied homes rose 7.8% in August from July to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 4.82 million, as the National Association of Realtors stated today. That's the highest level since May of 2010, when sales were aided by the federal home buying tax credit. Crude oil, on the other hand, is down $3 a barrel today on rising inventories. And did MarketClub's trade triangles get you on the right side of this move? We'll take a look at that shortly. But with that, we'll start with the Dow Industrial, which is currently up about 53 points or so for the day. Of course, we're still long we had a major trend change back on 9/11 at the 13,330 level to get everybody in long positions. Long-term, intermediate-term, and short-term traders are long this market with a score of plus 100. The NASDAQ is up today about 6 points, about 0.21%. We're long this market plus 100. For long-term, intermediate, and short-term traders are all long this market based on our score of plus 100. The CME S&P 500 index up again today, as most markets are on that housing data. Currently up 0.33%, 4.86 points. Long-term, intermediate, and short-term traders are long this market with a score of plus 100. We actually still see the upside of this market too, as Adam pointed out last week. I believe he's looking at the 1550 range. We even had a member on our members blog. If you all remember, go over there and check out Mark's comments, or it may have been Mike yesterday. I'm sorry, Mike. He believes he a target he has of 1580, and he has a pretty good description of that. If you want to go to the members blog for members and check that out, there's a lot of great discussion going on over there. I encourage everybody to go in there and start participating. Share your thoughts, questions. I'm in there regularly answering questions. Adam, as well as some members and some other members of our staff around here. Moving right along, we have crude oil. Crude oil here, you can see, is now at a negative 70. Let me pop my daily trade trials in here. On Monday, we showed you on 9/17, we had a exit long positions for short-term traders at 96.82. And of course, if you're a member, you know that according to our World Cup portfolio last night, you had this exit of 94.28 on a weekly trade triangle trend change to go short this market in the short term. You would have known it and had that set, and you would have been good to go. Currently now trading down 92.54, down $3.29. I believe the sentiment is that Saudi Arabia is going to release more inventory into the market and boost production, so therefore there's going to be more oil. So everybody's selling off and taking some profits at this level. Negative 70, short-term traders are in a short position with appropriate money management stops. Intermediate-term traders are on the sidelines based on this red weekly exit signal. And long-term traders are still long from the 98.60 level with appropriate money management. I know Adam and several people still believe that oil is going to head higher. But for the meantime, short-term traders are short this market. The euro, actually, we'll put it on there, flashed a red daily exit today at 1.302. So short-term traders are on the sidelines. Intermediate and long-term traders are still long this position, or long this stock with a plus 85 score. Gold actually short-term re-entered the trade today at 1776.40. Currently trading at 1769.08. Plus 90 is the score for today. I think yesterday we were actually at a plus 70, so we do see that short-term trend resuming. Long-term, we're still long this market. A lot of talk out there of gold going over the $2,000 level this year, but intermediate, long-term, and short-term traders are all long this market with a score of plus 90. Moving along, we have copper. Copper still making a strong move up. from the long signal at $3.55. Currently trading at $3.81 at plus 90. Intermediate, long-term, and short-term traders are all along this market. Silver's still performing pretty well. It's kind of had a couple choppy days back and forth, but we're still long this market on a long-term, intermediate, and short-term with a trade triangle score of plus 100. The CRB index has actually moved down to a plus 55. Is coming under some pressure. I believe what we're looking at is if we're to hit a level of resistance around this 305 line and maybe hover around that area for a little bit. So I think 305 is going to be a key support level for this market in the near future. And I thought I'd share a couple stocks that were in the news today and making some gains. And show you if we're on the right side with the trade triangles. First way up here we have General Mills, which reported earnings before the market opened this morning. And you can currently see it's up a little over 2% today. We actually had a signal from MarketClub's trade triangles to go long this market on 8/29 at 39.72. So you had some options. If you didn't get in right on the day, you had a few more options on a nice little pullback here. And I'll show you this is actually broken through a line of resistance that I was seeing right around this area today. Right around that 39.50 area. It was kind of just bouncing along there, but we've had that breakout today, so we'll see if that trend continues. But right now we're at a plus 100. Monthly, weekly, and daily are all green. So long-term, intermediate term, and short-term traders are long this market. Moving along, I have to move along to another one's Pulte Group. Pulte Group has actually made a really strong move today. Up 6.79%. Obviously, it's tied into the home sales data as they are a home builder. We are at a plus 100. Long-term, intermediate, and short-term traders are along this market. And MarketClub's actually been along this market since July 2nd at $10.82. I think they can really show you the power of the long-term trend. Once that, they're very, as Adam always says, they're very. Takes a lot to trigger them. They don't come frequently. It takes a lot of work. Intermediate term traders are even long back this market from the $12 level. So I think that really shows you. And just real quick to remind members that if you are looking for those signals on say the gold, the SPY, anything, you can just come down here to your MarketClub portfolio tracker, and you have our 3 portfolios that give you the signals each and every day. That way you can put in market calls, put in your stop orders, and then get into the trades. And I'll show you kind of right here. Here's your crude oil, and there was our signal to get in that market to the short side. It was when we were going to be a trend reversal on the weekly level. These are updated every day at the end of the trading day. If you're not checking them now, I would urge you to do so. And again, I'll be back tomorrow. Hopefully we'll have a little bit more better news than we've had early part of this week. We had a little bit of move up today, but we'll see what tomorrow brings. Every success in trading, and have a good trading day. See you all tomorrow.